Hello everyone, this is Reshmi Gopinath. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another simple dish including microgreens. For those who do not have an idea about microgreens, here it is. Microgreens are easily home growable baby plants that can be harvested in 1 or 2 weeks. My video link on how to grow microgreens at home is given in the description box. Please check it out. Including microgreens in your regular diet can give an amazing nutritional punch to your body. So let's get started. Today's dish is soya chunks roast with horse gram microgreen. For this dish, I've taken 1 cup of small size soya chunks. I soak the dry soya chunks in salted hot water and leave it for 10 minutes to boil. Then squeeze it. I add salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder to it, and pressure cook it with half glass of water for till one whistle. So this process makes the chunks more juicy and tasty. Now in a hot pan, I add oil. I've taken coconut oil and I have finely sliced 2 onions and 1 green chili. I'm going to add it along with curry leaves. When the oil gets heated, I'm going to add the curry leaves, green chilies and the onions. So I saute it well. Once the onions get transparent, I add 1 sliced tomato to it. Add a pinch of salt to quicken the cooking process. At this point, when the tomatoes get mushy, you can add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste if you like the flavor. So I have added it. So I've already added chili powder while cooking the soya chunks in the pressure cooker. So I'm not going to add any other spices other than the garam masala. So I've taken a tablespoon of garam masala and I've added water to it, and I mixed and made a thin paste out of it. So the thin paste is to stop the masala from getting burnt because the pan is extremely hot. So this process will stop it from getting burnt. So I mix it really well and wait till the raw smell of the masala goes and oil separates. That's when I add the cooked soya chunks to the pan. So I keep mixing it or sauteing it for a while. It takes a while though. So when you see that the oil is separated and when the masala's raw smell is gone, that's when you're supposed to add the cooked soya chunks. This cooking process is done to it actually makes the soya chunks more juicy and tasty. So this process actually makes the soya chunks a bit softer also. Now I give a really nice mix. I see to that the masala is spread everywhere into the soya chunks, and now I'm adding 2 handfuls of horse gram microgreen finely chopped. So I'm just giving it a quick toss, and now I'll garnish it with fresh curry leaves. The soya chunks roast with horse gram microgreen, nutritious and tasty soya chunks roast is ready. You can have it with rice or chapati.